Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards here in Lawrence, Kansas. That's right, we have a 330. Oh yeah. It's like Kool-Aid. That's wonderful. Look, I can put my hand right through there. Gosh. This is very mediocre. Yeah, this thing is mediocre. Let me show you how cheap this thing is. That's cheap. What's over here? Wow. We'll have to wait for it to close. Welcome, Schindler. This one is, Schindler 330A at Menards is actually pretty small. A little bit smaller than the ThyssenKrupp's or A-Bells. They have all the colorful ads. Oh gosh, this thing is so cheap. Yeah, this thing is not that great. I mean, it's a Schindler, so it is bad. Gotta drop what it is. Ha! This thing literally is the worst controller I've ever seen. And then it's gonna reopen again. See? Oh, Menards. There goes the elevator. And that's the elevator here. Anyway, I guess And that's a keyhole. So anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for me.